Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how we can change our live location. If you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe, like, share and comment. Let's get started. In settings, select About Phone. Then click on Build number 7 times to enable developer option. In additional settings, you can check developer option. Now go to Play Store and search for Fake GPS. From the list, select any application of your choice. I am selecting GPS Emulator. Once it will get installed, then you need to go to developer option and choose your application in Select Mock Location App. Let's open the application, and for the first time, we need to agree term and condition. Click on I agree. Now I want to set my live location to Pune Airport. Click on search bar and type Pune Airport. Now you can see map is pointing to Pune International Airport. Click on set location. It will prompt you to do changes in developer option like I already mentioned few minutes back. In location section, choose Select Mock Location App and select your application. After giving location permission, click on Continue. Now again set your location. Go to Google Map and now we'll see my live location is changing to Pune International Airport. Let's test it again. Go to Application and this time I want to set my live location to Mumbai Airport. Click on search bar and type Mumbai Airport. Now you can see map is pointing to Mumbai Airport. Click on set location. Now go to Google Map and now we'll see my live location is changing to Mumbai Airport. Now you have learned how to change your live location. Thanks for watching.